What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Today's quickie meal prep recipe is a lunchbox special. We're making delicious popcorn chicken salads. Good. Now this is a very easy and tasty meal prep. The hardest thing for you is trying to determine which type of popcorn chicken salad you are. Are you a buffalo popcorn chicken salad? Are you an Asian sesame popcorn chicken salad? Or are you Hawaiian popcorn chicken salad? Is that how you do it? Probably not, so let me just stop. For all of my vegan peeps out there, you can easily swap out the chicken and substitute in some roasted tempeh or some roasted cauliflower. All right, guys, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty for some good variety, then let's get started. First, chop up the chicken breast into small pieces about 1 inch thick. Next, prep the batter with almond flour, panko, and 1 egg. Add a pinch of sea salt and pepper to the panko, then beat the egg. Dip the chicken in the flour, then plunge it into the egg, then smother it in panko. Place it on a baking sheet, then spray the chicken with a little olive oil. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 420 or until golden brown and cooked through. Chop up some green lettuce and dice up tomato. For the base meal, add lettuce, tomato, and popcorn chicken. For the buffalo salad, add celery, carrots, and radish. For the dressing, mix Greek yogurt, hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, garlic powder, and pepper. Mix it up and enjoy it with the salad. When you want to change, add purple cabbage, mandarin, and cucumber. Mix sesame teriyaki sauce with a little rice vinegar, and booyah! Sesame teriyaki popcorn chicken salad. When you want to change from that, add cucumber, pineapple, bell pepper, and avocado. Enjoy with low-calorie balsamic vinaigrette, Hawaiian-inspired popcorn chicken salad. Just that easy, popcorn chicken salad 3 different ways. Healthy, tasty variety for the entire week. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did like it, I want you to hit that like button below with a quick 1-2 punch. And before you log off, if you have not already, be sure that you hit that subscribe button. Let me know how you all like this recipe. Also, comment below your own variation of a popcorn chicken salad so we can take your idea and incorporate a lot more variety into our own diets. All right, guys, again, thank you for watching. Until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Ooh! Bye, guys.